Welcome back to Channel Reset Coin.
Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic to discuss, a fascinating coin that might just be hiding in your pocket change, the 2000 Jefferson Nickel Liberty coin. You won't believe its incredible value. Stay tuned as we uncover the story behind this unassuming coin and how it became worth millions of dollars. Let's dive right in. The 2000 Jefferson Nickel Liberty coin is not your average coin. It might look like any other nickel in your wallet, but this particular one carries an extraordinary history and value. Minted in the year 2000, it features the iconic image of Thomas Jefferson on the front and the traditional Monticello design on the back. What makes this coin incredibly valuable is its rarity. In 2000, the U.S. Mint accidentally produced a small number of these nickels with an error, the absence of the traditional P or D mint mark, indicating the Philadelphia or Denver mint where it was produced. This minting mistake went unnoticed for quite some time, making these error coins exceptionally rare. Now, here comes the exciting part of the story. Imagine going through your pocket change one day and stumbling upon this seemingly ordinary nickel. That's precisely what happened to a lucky individual a few years ago. Unaware of its value, this person discovered the 2000 Jefferson Nickel Liberty coin in their everyday change. After realizing the uniqueness of the coin, they took it to a professional coin appraiser. The expert confirmed its authenticity and rarity, leading to a jaw-dropping appraisal. This humble nickel was worth millions of dollars. It's a testament to the thrill of coin collecting and the unexpected treasures that can be found in the most unlikely places. For coin collectors and enthusiasts, this discovery was groundbreaking. It highlighted the importance of paying attention to the small details, as even the tiniest error can turn an ordinary coin into a priceless artifact. It also emphasizes the value of preserving historical and rare coins for future generations to appreciate. Finally, THS coin value is $8 million. And there you have it, the incredible story of the 2000 Jefferson Nickel Liberty coin worth millions of dollars. Who would have thought that a small minting error could lead to such a staggering value? It just goes to show that treasures can be hiding in plain sight, waiting to be discovered by anyone with a keen eye and a passion for collecting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fascinating stories about rare coins, historical artifacts, and hidden treasures. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy collecting.